Hey, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at this car, and it's one of the few that can be upgraded. If you wanted to buy it a few years ago, you need to add money to buy it. Today, we are going to share some replacement kit that can be used just for this car. Now let's see how to disassemble and assemble.
What is this car, and why do you have to spend extra to buy it?
It's Suzuki Jimny. When it first went onto the market, at that time, there was a frenzy of people rushing to buy it, and rare things are valuable. If you want it, you have to add the price to buy it.
Okay. So, which position are we going to change today?
We have two kits today. The first one is this turn signal light. We'll make a module that combines turn signals and daytime running lights. Actually, we also have a position light on the side originally, but because the owner installed this trim panel, so it may not be easy to help him with the removal. Then there is another installation of mesh lights, that there can be installed for some warning effects.
Will this installation be spot checked by the police?
Not quite. Because our turn signals and daytime running lights all use legal light colors. For this, we designed the connection with switch controls so you can turn it on when necessary. And then finally, there's a special feature for this car. That is dimmable and color adjustable interior light.
As for the interior, it's super dark inside and I can't see it.
We have 3 light colors and then 5 brightness mode. Oh, it's almost time to start working.
Okay, let's go. Hey, why the original halogen bulb have a cable attached to the outside? Isn't that usually only needed for LED bulbs? Actually, it's because the turn signal light behind it has been changed to a LED light. There's no wiring at the back to add, so it adds it at the front.
So the front and rear turn signal light wiring are connected together.
Right, since now we replace it with LED. One circuit is not enough. So we'll add another one now. Just avoid the wiring on the resistor, and that will be fine. I'll show you when the construction is done.
Okay. Originally, the front of the car was more black and gray color. This orange turn signal is somewhat special. Now we change it to blacken. This feeling is more consistent. Doesn't it look better? Let's take a look at the effect of this lighting.
Let's see the daytime running lights in action.
This is daytime running lights and then when cutting direction lights. Turn off the daytime running lights and turn on the turn signal lights. Then when I switch off the turn signal light, it will automatically revert to daytime running light mode. For light modification, contact us.